Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to boost holiday sales using Kabbage Capital. Now, the holidays can make or break your year, and with Kabbage you can go all in when it counts. Here's how to use Kabbage Capital to crush your holiday sales goals. Step 1, stock up early. Now, use a Kabbage drawer to buy inventory before the rush. You avoid delays, stock outs, and inflated cost as demand rises. Step 2, run seasonal promotions. Now, put part of your Kabbage funds towards limited time offers, flash sales, or bundle deals that drive urgency and conversions. Step 3, ramp up marketing. Now, boost your ads spend on platforms like Google, Facebook, and Instagram. Use Kabbage Capital to reach more people during the highest traffic time of the year. Step 4, upgrade customer experience. Now, you can invest in fast shipping, better packaging, or a holiday themed site refresh. Small changes funded by Kabbage can lead to big revenue gains. The holidays don't wait, and neither should you. With Kabbage fundings, you can turn seasonal momentum into year-round success. Like and subscribe for more business strategies, and I'll see you guys in the next one.